welding. What about the welding? How you feel about this welding and your please explain on that one.
So actually, I'm going to talk about the importance of welding in electronics and fabrication. Welding plays a crucial role in EC as it is helpful in the manufacturing of electronic devices and circuits. So in electronics, welding helps to connect line components and circuits. So even though EC focuses on circuit and circuits, it is helpful for ensuring the security of the hardware
AC current and DC current are used here. Welding rod, it's a cooling rod to cool the edges of workpiece, and electrode holder. Electrode holder to hold the electrode and allows the current to come into it. And glasses and goggles are used for the safety purpose of holder. And the face shield is used to protect the eyes of the holder from the light spark produced during the welding process. And the chipping hammer is used to clean the dust particles in the welding after the welded method. Procedures. And the procedure is good because we have to protect ourselves with goggles, helmets, and glasses, and we have to take care to check it clean the pieces and we have to check so when we start from the edge to edge, after we have to start from one end to end with a strong striking. So after doing that, we have to take it to the computer due to the heat, and after that we have to chip using the chip hammer. We have to clean it. So brush with a metal brush and wash it with cold water. So after that we have to check whether it is strong or not. For all the three lap joint, and tail joint, we have to repeat the same process.
Talk about the applications of welding. Welding is used in construction purpose as it joins the steel bars. The next is ship welding. It is used to join the large tanks. Next is automobile engineering. In that, it is used to join the car frame and fuel tanks. The last is power plant. It is used in turbines and generators.
What are the types of welding machines you have been used in for your expert? There are different types of welding, right? Electric arc welding, gas welding, which kind of welding you are doing?
Electric HIP.
Electric arc welding, and then tools which are being used for safety purpose, what are the tools you are using?
So gloves, goggles, and face shield are used to safety purpose of the holders.